What's up everybody, we are back with another video. Today is Hot Wheels time and we will take a look at this brand new 2024 Hot Wheels Premium Diorama set. I ordered this online. To be precise, I ordered two of these sets online because they had a special offer. If you order Hot Wheels stuff for more than 50 euros, you get a mainline 10 pack for free. And guess what? I think I got the worst 10 pack I've ever seen. Nearly all of them are fantasy castings, I think, except this one and the exclusive for sure. But yeah, this pack is wild and this will be a separate video. So let's put this to the side and let's take a look at this Porsche Diorama set. First of all, the official name for this, I think, is German Racers. So, I mean, we have three Porsche race cars and one Volkswagen Transporter. As you can see, we get the new Hot Wheels logo in gold for premium this year. The packaging is wrapped in the German flag. Here we have the three race cars and the Transporter. So that is that. Let's put this into the background and we slide in the set. Oops, that I already opened. Because it's not so easy to get these cars loose, so I already did it off camera. Takes some time. Anyways, I would say we get started with the Porsche 935. One of my favorite Porsches. Really nice looking race car. This one comes in Brumos Porsche deco, which is quite simple, but in my opinion does look really good. And what I really like about this one are the mismatched wheels. We also get kind of, if you can call it, taillights. They are part of the interior piece. White metal base. Yeah. So pretty nice model. We've seen this one before in the mainline. This is also a very cool version of the 935, and don't mix it up with this one here, which is also called 935, but it's not the same casting, as you can see. So I think this is the original race car, and this is a version, I don't know, a special anniversary version, made a couple of, I don't know, 100 or something. Also cool looking, but it's not the same casting, just to mention that. So let's put this to the side, and I would say we go on with this one here. This is the 1967 Porsche 911R. So this is yeah, a lightweight racing version of the 911. Yeah, it's a new casting, brand new casting. Looks good. I also think the deco is kind of cool. Comes with some interesting prints on the headlights. You also get some details on the side and on the back for sure, as this is a premium car. What I'm not really into are these gray wheels. I think the wheels themselves match the car very well, but this gray always looks strange in my opinion. So as you can see, black base, new casting, pretty nice. So let's put this one back and we take a look at the last race car, which is the 917 LH, and LH stands for Langheck in German. So this is the long tail version. And yeah, this is kind of interesting. I mean, if you are not into race cars and you see this for the first time, you think, okay, this cannot be a real racing livery. And to be honest, when I first saw this, I also thought cannot be, but the this Porsche 917 LH with this livery, I think they were second in the 24 Hours of Le Mans in 1970. And this Porsche also has the nickname Hippie, which is kind of cool. And well, let's take a look at this one first. As you can see, pretty wild, the deco. So yeah, the Shell logo here on top, Team Porsche, it says here on the back. Also get small taillight prints. Lens headlights, which is kind of cool. Also comes with a blue or purple, yeah, it's more blue base. By the way, this one had an issue. It's I think it's the first time that I had an issue with these Hot Wheels premium cars. So the wheel was stuck here on the fender, and I had to push it in. And yeah, now as you can see, it's a really small issue, but the tire has a little dent. Anyways, but at first it didn't roll, and yeah, I was quite upset. But then I could fix it. There was also a mainline version of this Porsche 917 LH, and it took me, I think, an hour till I found this because, you know, I have stored all my models in plastic boxes, and sometimes yeah, I just can't find what I'm looking for. But this is the mainline version, and now you can compare it. It's really different if you take a look. So here the deco is thicker, and there's more deco if you take a look from the top. You don't have the Shell logo and so on. But I mean, and we have clear headlights, no prints on the back for sure, and we don't have the Hot Wheels logo on the premium version. Yeah, that is what I wanted to show. Now let's take a look at the last one, which is this guy here. It's pretty heavy. Volkswagen T1 pickup. Yeah, I think it's kind of cool that it comes with this Porsche Renndienst deco. Looks kind of cool. This thing I already mentioned is really, really heavy. And we can slide this back, and the idea is that you can, you know, roll up the cars. I put the rotator to the side. You don't need it anymore. So yeah, that's the idea. But the thing is, normally it falls off. So I'm not a huge fan of this system or technique. And also the thing is, I mean, this transporter is really, really small. So this one does fit, but I think this one is already too big. As you can see, tires don't fit, and this one also, and it also looks a little bit strange, this huge car on this small transporter. So to be honest, I am not really sure if this was the best solution they had, because I mean, not too long before, we've seen this one here, which is really cool. This is the, what is this called? The Euro hauler. This was the transporter from a Team Transport set. It came with this guy here, the, what is it, the Porsche 959 in this rally version. Really cool. So I think this could have also been a really, really nice Diorama set if you put them all together, and they had done a third Brumos Porsche, or a third Porsche in the Brumos Porsche deco. So this is really cool, really iconic. And I think, you know, this is the right size for these race cars. But that's just my opinion. You can write your opinion in the comments down below. So, you know, I'm not really sure. I don't think it's the best diorama set ever, although we have 3 Porsches, which is always really, really cool. I mean, people like the brand and, you know, but yeah, I think they could have done a little bit better, especially when it comes to this transport, in my opinion, which itself is cool, but you know, yeah, I'm not really sure. It's okay, but not the best we've ever seen. That's my opinion. What do you think? Write it in the comments down below. As always, I'm picking a favorite, and although this is a new casting, I stick with the 935 with the mismatched wheels. In Brumos Porsche Deco, this one is really, really cool in my opinion. Yeah, and that's it for today's video. Subscribe this channel, give me a thumbs up. Happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.